how to change pickup location on Walmart application. And welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can change pickup location on Walmart application. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up Walmart application. Make sure that you're signed in into your account. So once you're logged in, if you navigate to the top left corner, there is an option as pickup. Tap on pickup, or you may also find it as pickup and delivery. So from here you have to select pickup. Then at the bottom there is an option to update your zip code. Tap on update zip code. Then you have to enter or input your zip code to view all of the available stores. So scroll through it and then see the stores that you want to set as the default. Now choose the Walmart store from which you wish to pick up your items from. If you want to set it as your preferred, turn on the toggle right there, then tap on save. So once you have changed your pickup location, all you have to do is browse and add items on your cart as usual, and during the checkout process you could select the pickup date and time that suits you. So that's the way to change the pickup location in the Walmart application, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.